Hello, hi, and welcome to our preschool facility into Odkryj 2 in Gdańsk. My name is Daria, and I will be happy to show you what we have to offer to you. This is Jimmy, and he will be my assistant today. So, first of all, I want to show you our clock room where all our children start their journey. They take responsibility here for their belongings, and only later they go to the classroom. Let's go. Okay, in our preschool here we have three groups, the orange one, the blue one, and the yellow one. Okay, in the orange one we have our youngest explorers who just start their journey in the preschool. And of course I would like to show you the classroom, so let's join me and Jimmy. Right now we are into the orange classroom, which name is this. First of all, I would like to show you our sensory corner, which we are very proud of. As you see, we have a really big focus on the sensory play to our kids, and through the sensory games they can learn different shapes, textures, and even different sounds. Math begins here early at our preschool, so our kids learn basic of maths through recognition, sorting, and different games, and it also helps them to build basic of math, which will help them in the future. As you see here, our kids have a free access to all their toys, so they can choose what they want to play with today. Yes, Jimmy? Of course. In the corridor, you can always find our English monthly plan, Spanish monthly plan, and Polish monthly plan, so you can know what your children are doing every day in the preschool, as well as you can see their arts and crafts. Okay, and now let's see what's going on into the yellow classroom where our kids are getting ready to school. Here we have our interactive board where our kids can express their creativity. So do I. And here we have our math corner, but it's not the only thing I want to show you. I would like to show you also something more spectacular. Let's go. Coding. Yeah, you heard right, coding. We offer to our kids from the very young age coding lessons, which will help them in the future to develop their problem-solving skills and sequencing skills, so they can find themselves in the future in this digital world. In other groups, we have plenty of toys to help children to develop their fine motor skills. We also believe that it helps kids to keep their hands and mind in harmony. We believe that a love for reading starts young. So here I would like to present you our mini library. As you see, our children also have a free access to all the books we have in here, and they can choose every day in which story they would like to dive in. As you've seen here, we also have lots of books about emotional development. It's very important for us so our kids can understand their feelings and the feelings of others. Every lesson in our preschool starts with reminding of which day, month, or season we have right now. So please remember that we have autumn right now, and luckily the weather in Gdańsk is sunny today. Oh, here you are, Jimmy. Of course, in the sensory corner. Additionally, in sensory corners, our children can work on their proprioception by feeling, touching, and exploring different shapes, patterns, and textures. What's important, we have more robots here. So we have Emis, he helps us with English. We have Zosia, and she helps us with Spanish. And we have Jenny bots, they help us to learn math. Safety is a key for us, so all our furniture is adjustable for kids' height. Okay guys, thank you so much for spending this time with us, and we hope to see you soon in person. Bye!